So now we will discuss about WebElement. Okay, so WebElement methods, there are n number of WebElement methods, and the WebElement methods are what? So actually, WebElement methods are interface. We can apply what methods on the interface. So images, radio buttons, text box buttons, username field, password field, OK button, cancel button, logo, and image links. Okay, these are all called as what? WebElement methods. So methods of WebElement interface. Here clear method is there, click method, get attribute, get CSS value, get location, get rect, get size, get tag name, get text. Okay, is displayed, is enabled, is selected, send keys, submit. There are total 14 methods of the web element. Okay, so now we will discuss about first method. So the first method name is displayed. Okay, so now we will discuss about is displayed method of the web element. Okay, so see here first is displayed method. Okay, so double slash what is displayed. Okay, so we can see this method. Okay, so now first of all, now is displayed. What is the is displayed? Actually, is displayed so we can check the display status of the web element. Okay, so we can check the. So what is we can check the display status of web element. We can check the display status of web element. Okay, so why we are using means, so actually, okay, so I can open one page. So I can open one page. So is that page is displayed? Okay, is that page is displayed? It returns what? It returns a Boolean value, either true or false. Okay, if page is displayed, the value is what? True here. So if page is not displayed, the value is false in this situation. Okay, so that's why we can apply the is displayed method. Okay, so here we can use what? Nopecommerce.com. We can select that one. Okay, so see the nopecommerce demo.nopecommerce.com. I can open this side. Okay, so the display will be okay. The logo will be displayed or not. So the logo will be displayed. If display, Selenium is giving true. Okay, if display, if not display, Selenium is giving what? False here. Okay, so right click on this and inspect the element. It is working or not. We can check that one. So I can right click on this and inspect the element. See here, image dot. This is what tag name. So the image tag contains what? ALT and SRC. Okay, there is no ID class names. Okay, there is no ID class name types. There are not will be available here. Only image tag contains one alternative available. So that's why. Okay, so what is the alternative? Actually, no commerce is my alternative demo store. Okay, so I can copy this one. Okay, double slash at the rate of ALT. Okay, so we can find the XPath here. See this one, double slash. Okay, so my tag name is image tag. So in that I can display what? ALT tag. Okay, so with ALT tag equal to single quotes. Okay, so I can display the value. See this one. It is selected or not? It is selected, but we can select only no commerce. Why means this spaces contains so much of data. So that's why I can select only this. Okay, so wait. Okay, it is selected. Okay, so now I can copy this path. I can control A, control C. Okay, so now I can paste what? First of all, I can write the driver dot. Okay, here we can find what? Locator. So here there is no ID, no class name, no type. Okay, that's why we can find what? Locator after using this image selected and shows in yellow color or not. Yes. So now we can apply the is displayed method here. So driver dot. Okay, driver dot find element. See this one, driver dot find element. Okay, by dot XPath. This is what? Actually, this is the XPath here. Okay, so I can, this is the XPath. I can paste it here. Okay, this is XPath. I can store it here. See this one. So XPath returns what? So actually find element returns list of web elements. So that's why I can write what? Web element here. So web element. Okay, so my element name is logo. Actually my variable name is logo. Why means we can see the logos here. So we can insert this, import this web elements. Okay, I can import the web element or not. Okay, so a web element is imported now. So now I can display this one. Okay, so system dot out dot println. Okay, system dot out dot, okay, println. So first what, here we can see that display the status of the logo. Okay, display the status of the, okay, logo. So we can display the status. Okay, so now plus what? My variable name is logo. So that's why logo dot is displayed. I can upgrade here. Okay, so is displayed method I can upgrade. See this one, logo will be displayed or not. Now save the file and run it. Okay, what is the execution of this code? what is the execution of this code? So it is loading. Please wait. It is loading. Such time it will be, sometime it will be taken. So see this one, it is loading, and after that it will be open. Okay. So logo is also displayed. So if logo is displayed, so in that console what it displays what logo is true here. Okay. So same like that. What is the purpose of this program? Actually, in this page, as an automation tester, you need to check what. So you need to verify the logo is displayed or not. Okay. So I am copy the web element in the variable logo, and I am going to apply the method on this variable. This is one method. Okay. This is a method one. Okay. So now I can apply for method two. So see this one, the method two will be okay executed or not. So this is method one. Next we will go for method two. Okay. Same driver dot. Okay, I can apply this one driver dot web element. Okay, so we will go for another method. So see this one, I can open this one and another method. I can apply for another method. Close this output. Okay, so now we will choose another method. This method what? This method is displays. Okay, so this method displays the export control jet. Please wait. So I can apply is displayed method here. Okay, control jet, control jet, control jet. Okay, so I can remove this one. I can apply what is displayed here. Okay, directly. Okay, find out element returns what? Actually, find out element return web element. So that's why I can write here web element. So like what? Boolean. Now we can go for status here. Okay, so Boolean returns what? Boolean value. So that's why Boolean status. We can check what status here. So Boolean dot status. Next system dot out dot println system system dot out dot. Okay, I can apply println method. So status of the page is, so see this one, I can apply here status. Okay, so see this one, it will be displayed or not. Okay, so save the file and run it. So what is the output or not? So the logo is also true here. So that's why see this one, in this condition shows error. Why means see this one, quotations are not given correctly. So please wait, and it is now I will execute this code. Right? Okay, now we will check the status of the code. Okay, so my status of the code is what? True here. Okay, so first is displayed method is completed. Now we will discuss about is enabled. Okay, so check here is enabled. First, next one is enabled. So what is enabled? Okay, so what is enabled? Enabled is also second method. Okay. Enabled is also one method. So we can check the what is the definition of this enabled. Okay, we can check the enabled or disabled status of the element. Okay, we can check. We can check the enabled or disabled. We can check the enabled or disabled status of the element. Okay, enabled or disabled status of the element. So what is web element is enabled in this state. Okay, so web element is enabled state, then only we can perform the actions. Okay, this method is useful for dynamic element. So buttons, so text boxes, radio buttons, check boxes, drop downs. Okay, these all are working or not. We can check with through the is enabled method. So no commas. If your iPhone you will give in the no commas, it will be accepted. The condition is what true in these situations. Okay. So see this one. If here you will give what iPhone. So iPhone means it is accepted. This is called as is enabled. So is enabled means what? Is enabled. We need to identify the element by using what locators here. So we need to apply the. Okay. We need to apply the method here. So we will go for the example of the is enabled. Okay. We will example of the is enabled search box. So search box is visible or not, we can check that one. So is enabled, right, and right click on this one. Okay, I can close this and inspect here element here. So see this one, inspect element what? So actually this is what input. So that's why control F. Okay, so I can through with the class name or ID. Okay, name also you can give. Okay, I will go for what name here. So name through export. So control C. Control F. Okay, this is what input tag name. Okay, so input tag name /input input my tag name. Okay, so at the rate of name equal to single quotes Q. Okay. So it is selected or not? The line will be selected. That's why we can copy this one. So we will go for XPath here now. Okay. So driver dot find element. Okay. So same like that here also two methods are there. Okay. You can follow both methods. Okay. Find element. So by dot XPath. Okay. So by dot XPath, my XPath is in double quotes only. So that's why I can write like this. Okay. So next it is displayed. Okay. It returns what? Actually find element returns web element. So that's why here we can write what web element. Okay. This is what actually this is a search box. Okay. That's why I can write this one. Okay. Search box. Now is enabled method we can apply in the println method. System dot out dot printl println. Okay. Next here we can see what search box is visible or not. Okay. Enabled or disabled. Okay. Search box is visible or not. Okay. So see here, we can apply what search box dot. Sorry, here search box spelling is wrong. Okay. SEARCH search box. Okay. SEARCH box. We can type. Okay. Just match it. Now search box dot what we can apply here and is enabled method. Okay. Search box dot is enabled. So I can apply this method. See this one. Save the file and run it. It is working or not. We can check here. Okay. Okay. So now, okay, search box is visible. So that's why it is the condition is what true here. So next same method. Okay. I can apply with another definition. See the definition. So now boolean. Okay, boolean. Next we can give what status here. So status equal to driver dot find elements. So by dot. Okay. By dot XPath. I will go through XPath. Okay, XPath we will give it what double string. Okay. So next dot. So what we can apply here? So actually is enabled method I can apply here. Okay, is enabled. Sorry, it gives what error. Why this condition is for? Actually, double quotations is not closed. Okay. So now dot is enabled. I can apply directly. Okay. Next is system dot out dot println. Okay. So search box is okay. Search box is visible. So now we can check this one. So what is my variable name? So actually my variable name is status. Okay. So see this one. Save the file and run it. It is execute or not. So previously opened file I can close this one and I can run this file. I can run this file. See it is loading. So the status will be displayed in the console or not. So it is visible true. Okay. The condition is also completed. Both conditions. Now same like that is selected method. Okay. So is selected method is applied for what? Actually is selected method is applied for buttons. So radio buttons is like what the cost. So we can use for check the element is selected or not. Okay. So we can use for this one what it is used for select or not. The element is selected or not. We can check that. Okay. So is selected. Is selected. You can use the hey, you can use to check the element is selected or not. Okay. We can use to check the element is selected or not. Okay. So this is the definition of the is selected. Okay. So now first what launch the application and check the male and female radio buttons like what this is used for Facebook page also. Okay. Is used for Facebook page also. Okay. So female radio buttons, it will be displayed or not. Okay. So same like that. So no commerce, is there any radio buttons? Is there? Actually, no commerce radio buttons available. Okay, I can close this one. Check the no commerce page. Actually, this no commerce page will be displayed. Okay, and in that no commerce page, what is the radio buttons? Female and male radio buttons is available. So you can click on login. Okay, remember passwords only you can available. Okay, what is register? So register contains male and female radio buttons are available. Okay. So now we will go for this one. Okay. So right click on here and gender male, we can give that one. Okay. It is working or not. So we can check it is selected means. Okay. So see here, I can write this code. So right click on here. So male, you can click on male and right click on this one, inspect the element. Okay. So input type, what your radio is the input type. Okay, so what is the ID name? Gender male. Okay, that's why I will go for gender male. So ID name. Okay, Control C, Control F, X path. Okay, so we can apply what? This is a input tag. Okay, so I can give what input here. Okay, input at the rate of ID equal to. Okay, single quotes. This one. It is selected or not? Yes, it is selected. So that's why I will go for X path here. Okay, driver dot find element. Okay, driver dot find element by dot. Okay, X path, I will choose the X path here and within double quotes I can leave like this. Okay, it returns what? Actually this one returns okay, web element. So that's why see here it shows error by means double quotation is not possible. Okay, so this is what web element. Okay, web element, this is what radio button. Okay, that's why I will give radio. The condition is completed. So next. So if you give male radio button. If you give female radio button. Okay. So same like that. This is what male radio button. That's why what I can write this here like this one male radio. Okay. So same condition I will apply for female radio also. Okay. So Control C. I will apply for female radio and I will give the variable name as female and this male we can give what female here. Okay. So next selection before selection status. So you can select the male radio button and female radio button is selected or not. You can check this condition. Okay. Before status selection. Before selection status. Okay. System dot. And it's the get command. System dot out dot println. Before selection status. Okay. So I will give like this. System dot out dot println. So system dot. Okay, male radio dot. So I can write like this male radio dot. I can apply what is selected. Okay, so see here it is selected or not. Okay, so same like that female also. Okay, female radio also you can apply this one. Okay, and this is what female radios. That's why you can write female radio. Okay. So now save the file and run it. It will be executed or not. I will give here, actually my page is this. Okay. So I can give the URL like this. Control C. Okay. So see this one, I can change the URL demo. Okay. You can give the variable this one. So save the file and execute this one. Okay. It is working or not. Okay, page is open, but male is female is not selected. So you can apply click button here actually. Okay. So after selection status, male radio dot click. So automation is checking purpose. Okay. is male radio is selected and female radio is selected. We can write what after checking the status. You can write male radio dot click. So you can apply method here like this. Okay. So male radio. Okay. I can apply see this one. Male radio dot click. I can apply what click method here. See this one. It is working or not. See this one. Okay. And next we can execute it. Okay. See here. So what is the output? Male is selected. So same like that, female also selected. So both are not using at a time. So if you use for female selected, so you can use what female selected button. So if you use male selected button, so male selected you can use. Okay. This is the selection is depends upon okay your choice. So next get and next program is I want to check the height and width and the X locator Y locator of the program of the page. So that's why I will go for demo.nocomments.com. Okay. So see here. I can erase all the code. Okay. I can erase all the code. So we can use what get rect method. Okay. So next see here this page I will go to back button. Okay. Again back. Okay. This is my URL of the page. Okay. So I will give here and I can erase the previous code. Okay. I will erase the previous code. In that quotations we can give like this. Okay. So first we can apply what? So get rect method. So driver dot find element by dot name what q here. Okay. So driver dot find element. Okay. So by dot xpath. I will go for xpath actually. So by dot name. Sorry, I will go for by dot name. Okay. So by dot name. So name is what q. So I will give it what quotations. Okay, q. Here one extra. Okay. So find element returns what? Web element. So that's why I can write web element. This is what? This is the search box, yeah, right? So I can write like this one, search box dot web element search box. So next I can print the system dot out dot printer and height search box dot get rect page. Next get dimension. So get dimension, get height. Okay, the code of this one is okay, get rect, get to dimension, and get height. Okay, so you can write like this one. So system dot out dot printl, and I can check the checkbox height to width. Okay, so that's why search what first one I will check what height. Okay, so height double quotes plus okay search box is my variable name. See here I can every time I can give wrong spelling. Okay, search box. Okay, it is matched with this one. Okay, search box SCEARCH. So double H I will give. So I can give small example here. So please wait. S box. I can give simply X box. Okay. So see here here also I can give directly S box. Okay. S box S box dot okay get rect. So I can apply this one. Next what? Get a dimension. Okay. Next what? So first I will get what height. So get height. Okay. It is applied or not? So it is applied. So you can close this. So same like that. So same like that. I can copy this code. Control C, Control V. So next we will go for what weight? WI GHT. Okay. So same. Here I can apply what? Okay. Sorry, not width. This is what width, not weight. Okay. Width I will here I can apply get width method. Okay. So it is working or not? We can check dot get width. Okay. See this one. I can apply this also. Okay. Same code. Next for X locator. Okay. X locator and Y locator. I can apply for both one. So X locator. Okay. So X locator I can use directly get rect and get X. Okay. So see this one. Get rect dot get X. X for X locator. Okay. So same for, you can go for Y locator also. Okay. So see here, it is used for what? Y locator. So for Y locator, I can apply the method get Y. Okay. Get Y. See this one. Now save the file and run the code. Okay. What is the output now? Check here. So window maximizer. See this one. Height of the search box is 40 and height width of the search box is 280 and X locator is 993 and Y locator is 80. Okay. This is the output. Output will be displayed in the console or not. So it is working perfectly. Next, same like that, tag and content tags also available. Okay. So tag and content tags also available. And start with and contents. So both are working or not. We will check that once. Okay, and after further classes, the drop downs, automation, so bootstraps, so many available. So user list, alerts, okay, confirmation alerts, phone alerts. So you can check that all those things. So first of all, I will go through these conditions. It is completed. Yes. So if you know all this one, first step. So next one, we will go for what starts with. So start with means a tag name starts with at the rate of attribute equal to attribute comma starting value. So we will go for that one. So first I can example what start with example. So it is working perfectly. Then we will discuss about that one. Okay. So I will go through start with. I will go through start with. So open the XPath is working. XPath also working in this situations. So, but you can go for what? Actually, you can go for start with. So start with is working or not? You can check that. Yeah. Okay. And contents also one another example. Contents is also there. Okay. Contents also sending it XPath. So that is also XPath contents. You can go for that. Okay. And it is the option one to click option is there for that one. The output is working. Then only. So see here. So first one, I can remove all the code. Okay. Next, we will choose the one example. So my page is facebook.com. Okay, I will go for facebook.com. See here, facebook.com. So facebook.com. This is my page, facebook.com. If you give black, so directly you can open Facebook. So click on that Facebook. Facebook.com will be opened up. So facebook.com will be displayed. So in that facebook.com, you can click on what? Create new account button. That's why you can right click on this one and inspect the element. Okay. So this is what? This is the anchor tag. So this is the anchor tag. So anchor tags contains what? Some test is also there. Okay. Create new button is also one test. Okay. So if you expand this one, create new button is there or not? So why here also class, href and data test, so many also available. So I will go for this test. So why means you can click on the button on this one. Okay. Next control F. You can apply what? So double slash A. Okay. Tag name. Next what it is a normal test. So that's why I can apply test method. Okay. So test equal to single quotes. Create what? New account here. So it is selected or not? So it is selected. So that's why I can go for this one. So driver dot find element. Okay. See this one I can close this previous tab. So driver dot find element. Okay. By dot XPath. Okay. So within double quotes only we can give like this. This is my XPath. So I can apply which option here? Dot click option. Okay. You can apply click perform here. Okay. Next what? I can pass the send keys. First of all, we can apply the this one, and next what? I can pass the send keys there first time. Okay. So start with also create new text is there, and next start with the first name is there or not. Okay. This is the XPath actually, but you will what? You can use what? You can use start. Okay, driver dot find element. Okay, by dot. Okay, same here also XPath. So in that XPath, we can write what? Double slash tag name. Okay, and double slash tag name start with text and create new. See here, it is also selected or not. On close this one. Okay, I can create on this one. Inspect the element. Okay, so create. I can expand this. Create new account. Okay, I can copy this text. Okay, next Control F. So which method here? This is what which tag? This is a anchor tag. So a trace. Okay, so starts with open. So this is what? This is a text. So that's why I can apply test here. Test comma within single quotes only. This is what? Text or not? So this is a text. Okay. So test comma within single quotes only create new account. So it is possible to select. It is selected. So this is a starts with. So you can apply this one. Driver dot element starts with okay double quotes close. So next dot you can apply with method click method. Okay. So next we will go for what? Fine. We can pass the element. Click on the create new account button. After you will give what? First name. Okay. So inspect the element this one. So what is this is what input tag. So input tag contains what name is there or not. So first name. I will select this Control C. Okay. So Control F. This is which tag? This is a input tag. So double slash. So input. Okay. Open. Okay. Starts with. Okay. So next brace at the rate of ID. Okay. So comma within single quotes what? I will give this one. It is selected or not. So first name is a name. So that's why you will give here name. Name comma first name. Okay. So close this, close this. It is selected. Okay. So it is selected. So now we can pass the send keys. See here. So driver dot. Okay. So find element by dot. So XPath. In that XPath we can give this one first name. So our first name. So actually select this path here. Select this total path. Okay. Control C. So Control V. I will give here Control V. Okay. So quotations closed. So next what we can pass here send keys. Okay. So send keys. So I can pass here Purna. See this one. Purna. I can pass here Purna. Okay. Now save the file and execute. Actually, this is not a page. So that's why I can erase this one. Democommerce.com. We can apply our page. So what is our page? Actually, this is a Facebook. Okay. So back and select this Facebook.com. Control C and paste it here. Okay. So now save the file and execute and run. Okay. See this one. So it will be executed. After executing, Purna will be passed the value or not. Okay. It is maximized. Create new account also clicked. Purna is given. Okay. This is controlled by the automation of testing. So next contain also one example. So same contains. So we will go for nopecommerce.com. Okay, nopecommerce.com contains what? Actually, this is also input or rate of contains. The same syntaxes are small differences. So both for contents and this one. So contents you can use what star. Okay, or input. So you can give whatever you give. Okay, so part of the value of the rate. So almost just the keyword is name is what changes. So starts with our syntax both will be almost nearly same. So in that we can pass the syntax also. Okay. So it is working or not, you can check for both. Okay. Contents test account, you can click on search. Okay. And pass key is 7. Okay. So same like that input starts with. So we will choose what? Nopecommerce.com. See here. I will go for a previous example, nopecommerce.com. So I can copy this one. Okay. So I can erase all this code. Okay. I can erase all this code and apply on the in place of test. Okay. So test, we can apply what? Okay. So no comments.com also we can paste it. So next maximize. So see here. So I can choose for search box. Okay. So in that search box, I can pass what send keys. So laptops I will pass here. So see from this contains input test class. So many also available. So I will go through ID. I will go through ID. So what is the ID here? Type ID is small. Search times. Control C. Control F. Contains. So that's why I will go for. So double slash. This name is input. Okay. Brace. CONTAINS. Contains next open at the rate of this is what id comma part of the value we will give like this. Okay, close this one, select this line or not. So control A, control C. Okay, so next driver dot find element, see this one, driver dot find element. Okay, so by dot x path. So what is my x path? Within double quotes only I will give this one. Okay, dot what? Send keys. Okay, we can apply the send keys. I will give here genes. Okay, I will give here genes. Okay, search was working laptops. It is working. Okay, so Facebook's also you will click on that one and the previous example it is also working. Okay, save and run it. So what is the output? It will be running or not? Execution completed. Next, okay, genes will be added. Okay, so it is running perfectly. So Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. So previous example, same example. See here, same example. In place of starts with click, I can apply contents. It is also working. See here. So Facebook page, you will go for this one. Okay, in place of this one, I can use contents method. Okay, click for clicking. So see here, Facebook. Okay, create new account and inspect the element. So what is the inspect element? Actually, I will go through here text. So previously I will go to text. So same like that. So copy this one, Control C, Control F. Okay. So double slash. So what is the tag name? A is the tag name. Okay. So A is the tag name. I will give what contents here. Bracket open. Okay. So this is what this is a test. So I will give like this. Test comma single quotes. Create new account. Single quotes. Okay. Close brace and this one. Okay. Control A C. Okay. So go through here and in place of this we can replace that one. Okay. So now save the code and run it. It is also working. Both contains and starts with in the same example. It is also working. Okay. Create account and Purna will be displayed. Okay. So it is working perfectly. So in next class, we will discuss about synchronization topics. So thank you. Thank you all.